Hello everyone, today I'm gonna talk about labor and fuel cost of airline, and here is our outline. I'm gonna start with the numerics. As a full service carrier, we have KLM and Qantas, and for the low cost carrier, we have Virgin Australia and JetBlue. I'm not gonna read those numbers, but I wanna mention that Virgin Australia's data is from 2019 based on our research. We couldn't find any current information. And what about the labor costs compared to operating costs? KLM has the higher labor cost percentage at 48%, which indicates significant portion of its operations. And Qantas remains at 24%, while Virgin Australia has a lower labor cost percentage at 22%. And JetBlue stands out with a labor cost percentage of 30%. And what about the fuel costs? KLM has first Kuya again with the highest fuel cost percentage at 38%, which represents fuel consumption in KLM generates higher costs compared to other airlines. And Qantas is at 26%, Virgin Australia at 19%, and JetBlue at 29%. And there is a chart of cost structure, overall cost structure. KLM's cost structure appears more balanced, however, the higher labor and high fuel costs may create a disadvantage in terms of operational flexibility. Qantas and Virgin Australia follow a different cost strategy by focusing on more non-labor and non-fuel expenses in their operations. And JetBlue has a balanced structure in terms of labor and fuel costs, but with a 40% share in other costs. And what can be done for reduced to labor costs? Having automation in customer service and operations. What I mean is using kiosks and self-baggage drop points rather than traditional counters, and also optimizing scheduling and workforce management is useful for reduced labor costs. And to reduce fuel costs, fuel efficient aircrafts can be useful, and having optimal flight routes, which includes optimal altitudes, can increase fuel efficiency. And what about the potential savings? If we have 1% savings from labor and fuel costs from KLM Airlines, it's something like 64 million euros. And what can KLM do with these savings? They can create green routes program or express lounges for quick layovers. For a green routes program, create a specific green routes where KLM emphasize sustainable aviation fuel, eco-conscious practices, and rewards eco-travelers with discounts and perks, encouraging low-emission travel choices. And about the lounges, create efficient exclusive space with the showers, foods, and resting areas for passengers with short layovers, allowing them to refresh and recharge before their next flight. Thank you.